Oh, this lighting is horrible. This lighting is horrible. What is up? I'm back. I'm back. I'm embarking on an adventure. I'm doing something that I have never done before. I can't truly say I've never done it, but I've never done it this way. And what I'm doing is building a computer. I'm building a computer for content creation. And I say that I've never done it this way because I've had computers before. I've rebuilt computers. I've rebuilt bikes. I've taken apart, put back together, partly rebuilt cars. So the mechanics of it is in my wheelhouse. Being creative is in my wheelhouse. This is the first time ever that I've sourced parts, I've researched, I've purchased, and now I'm putting it all together. The purpose of me building a computer is to be able to make content. I want to, it's 2025. I want to put together AI content. I want to put together music content. I was into music years ago. My life has been full of music. I like to create music. I like to listen to music. I like to tweak music. And here I am. I love videos. I love video creation. I love movies. And not just watching movies. I love movies to see the creativity and the effort put into making something that makes me feel something. It may excite me. It may be informative, educational, whatever you want to call it. Or it may just be for pure enjoyment. Whatever it is, I like it. So like anybody building anything, I scoured the internet a lot of 3 o'clock mornings up watching videos of guys who've done the same thing that I'm about to do. Now I'm working on a budget, but trust me, I didn't skip out on a whole lot of stuff. And the market is crazy, or the market was crazy when I was trying to build this thing. Just like everything, you find something that you like, you find a new hobby, and suddenly something happens and the market for it blows up and everything is so overpriced, it's ridiculous. Nothing no different here. In these videos I'm doing, yeah, I'm posting them to my channel. Yeah, you're free to watch. But a big part of it is making content for me to watch, to be accountable for the things that I say. If I say I'm gonna do it, I'm trying to get better at doing it, if that makes sense. What I'm also creating here is a studio. The studio is a wreck right now. I got parts everywhere. I got fitness stuff, I got TV stuff, got boxes stuff, I got podcast stuff here, got tools here, got computer stuff here, printer, office stuff, light. It's a mess. It's a mess right now. I can't show you everything. What I can tell you is it's a brand in the making. My goal 2025, especially after I've had a child. I'm gonna be 38 years old this year. Work was always my thing. I was always, for the most part, single, no kids. So work, that's my worth. what I'm learning is life is much more than work. Life is much more than work. Uh, work should almost be your side hustle. That's where you get your money from to be able to afford the things that you want to do with your life. And being a good person, a good man, a good father, and following my dreams. Those are the things right now that I want to focus on. So creating this is my hopes of helping me succeed in all of those areas. And one of the things I want to do too is I'm building a computer for a purpose. If it's nothing, if I'm attracted to motorsports, motorcycles, cars. I don't like water, but I love boats and ships. I love rockets. I love things that are built or were built for a purpose. They were built to do one thing and one thing only, and they do it good. This is just a little quick video, a little update for myself to go back and look at for accountability purposes. But what I'll do in the next video is break down the parts and what I'm doing, the parts that I'm building the computer with. I mean, it's tons and thousands of videos on how to put computers together. But what I'm gonna do is break down the parts for you, and why I bought each part, how, the research that I did, and my plans for it. So this is the makings of the House of Cook. Let's go.